All right. Good morning, people. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. All right, let me just fire this up. Good morning, Aaron. Good morning, man. Good morning. What's going on? Why is the stream deck not working today? Buttons aren't working today. Well, I have to do it manually. I don't know why the buttons aren't working today. Welcome back, everyone. What's going on? Where is everyone today? Everyone's still sleeping. Everyone is still sleeping. All right. Let me just get Zoom set up. Let me see here. 2 seconds, guys. Just catching up on Discord here. London session. Let's get everyone in on Zoom. All right, cool. Once you got the Zoom guys all in. Let's get rid of Discord. Let me share my screen. Let's have a look at what news we got going on today as well. Let's have a look. Tuning from Angola this morning. Very nice. Very nice. I don't know why my stream deck buttons aren't working today, but we've got to do it manually here. Where are we? Here. Beautiful. So we got FOMC meeting minutes today, 7 o'clock London time, which could be interesting. All right, what's going on, Zoom guys? Welcome back. Welcome back, everyone. Let me get everyone in here. I don't know why it's not working properly. Oh well, where's the chat? See what other news we got first. We got FOMC meeting minutes today, PMI tomorrow, and then excuse me, and then consumer sentiment on Friday as well. So you got some pretty big days coming up here on gold. Some very, very big days coming up. Well, let's crush the markets. Good morning, man. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's form me a flag. I don't trade flags personally. Morning, people. Morning, Marriott. What's going on, man? Welcome back. Asia had some amazing moves again today. Amazing, amazing moves. Good morning, Alan. Good morning, man. Let me get everyone in Zoom. We'll start breaking down Goldie in a second. Yeah, we called the buys up into these highs here today in Asia. Called these longs up for about 50 plus ticks. I didn't get this push up. I didn't want to trade Asia today. By the time I just jumped on, I got these shorts into these hourly wicks here for like around 25-ish ticks. But the buys were probably the nicest trade of the day. But it's a very, very nice push. Goldie has been on a very, very clean little downward trend here. Grabbing highs, pushing lower. Grabbing highs, pushing lower. Very, very simple. What's up, Aaron? Trey, what's going on, man? More people doing the zooms. You got a pound CPI in 1 minute. Could be interesting. Take a trade already? Just joined? Nah, I haven't even broken it down yet. We took trades in Asia, but not here in London yet. Yeah, breaking out nicely, yeah. Huge, huge, huge level. Grabbing hourly lows, re-grabbing some hourly highs. I think overall though, today on gold, you'll probably see a dip back down into these levels. Tap back into 2400 today would be nice. Be very, very nice. Being on this lovely, lovely push down. Yeah, such clean setups, yeah. I mean, I would do Asia, but I mean, I wouldn't do London, so it'd kind of be one or the other. But yeah, I mean, to be fair, all of my Asia trades, I can literally just trade off like the 50 and not even have to watch it. It's pretty good. I don't really like sitting here watching like, you know, 5-minute closures in Asia. How's that pound CPI coming out? Let's have a quick look. What the fuck is this? What the hell? Pound futures having a spike up. Wow, look at that. Last time we looked at the pound. Let's get rid of all this crap. Asia market will do the trick. Yeah, absolutely, man. Yeah, little 5-minute markers, giving the liquids levels and then just executing them. Yeah, absolutely. All right, I think everyone is in.
Recording in progress.
So we'll get started on gold today. Let me get rid of some of these. Here were the shorts we took in Asia. So we'll go to the daily here on gold, and what we can see here on gold on the daily is, well, actually you may not need to come down to that 2400. You kind of on the daily here, you grab previous daily lows, closed all the way back above, and currently retesting. Like if this daily can start to flip bullish, you'll probably just see gold drive up. You've grabbed daily lows but haven't grabbed any daily highs. So you may come down into there, but I'm not really too interested in that just yet. I'm always seeing if this daily can flip bullish and come and grab some daily highs. Because that was a pretty nice closure yesterday. And, you know, all of this area, all of this is one big massive level that we've traded above that you could easily just start flipping higher and pushing up. So if we drop down to the 4-hour here on gold, let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that high for now. You can kind of see, I mean, it's 4 hours in a very, very big range. We do have FOMC meeting minutes today, so it's not really surprising it's going to range on higher time frame. But you have a trend line coming down like this as well. So imagine a lot of people will probably trying to be short in this trend line. Stops are above these highs. So overall today, you know, to see it rip higher would be nice. So if we could see that initial push down, you know, before the news grabbed the lows, then amazing. The news could actually give gold another decent push back up higher, back into 2450 and re-grabbing these highs here. So there's gold on the hourly. That's that trend line coming down. We know where that is now. These were the sells in Asia. We spoke about the buys up into these highs. You got the buys up, you grabbed the highs, you had a push back down, and you've closed back below this level here. Like, where is it? Like this. And that's where I took my sells in Asia off that top wick to come down and re-grab hourly lows. So as long as you hold below there, yeah, you could be looking for gold to come back down into these regions. I mean, now hourly's just closed strong, but I won't be buying gold here. You're going to be buying gold right at a level of resistance. Doesn't really make much sense. because it's not just one line. All of this is a very, very strong area where you could start to reject and pull back down. But the Audi has just closed strong, so won't be shorting it anytime soon either, unless you start closing back below. It's a pretty ugly range, I'll be honest. Maybe back below. Let me just see here. Let me see. It's kind of messy. Yeah, that level. Maybe you close back below there. Then amazing, you could get some shorts, or start closing back above here. Then you may get the overall longs, but I don't think that will come in until later on. Let me get rid of these alerts. Have a look at the 30-minute time frame here on gold. You have, let's just adjust this a little bit. Let's have a look. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. You have just closed back above this little level, bottom wick, re-breaking the highs. You wouldn't take a 30-minute flip in the first 5 minutes though. But this is going to be our overall range today. You know, the nicest Asia trade was once you grab these highs and close bearish, top wick and push down. Once you get volume and liquidity grabbing a breakout, so that's all we're going to be doing today, is just waiting for the exact same thing. It's very, very simple. You just need to wait for volume, let the charts come to you. And that's where you'll get the easiest of trades. Took buys yesterday as well, buying up into this liquidity for around like 20, 30-ish ticks. Bought up into these highs yesterday. That was like 3:30-ish London time, bought into there. Very, very nice. Asia give me FOMO. Yeah, Asia's been great recently. So have all sessions, to be fair. Gold's had amazing volume. I think I took these buys. Once I got actually tagged into these buys yesterday, I think that was at, around 3 o'clock London time. Took buys yesterday, 3 o'clock London time. And then you ended up having a very, very big sell-off. Big sell-off, 4:30, 5 o'clock London time. And then push back up, ranged, grab the highs, dip back down. Very nice. You may see gold, if you need to grab liquidity, you may wick out these highs here. The sells I took today, I only took at half risk, because I was actually waiting to see if you could re-grab these highs. But you never re-grabbed them, so I just executed a sell there and it pushed down. But you may re-grab these highs before having another little pushback lower. Very possible. Very, very possible. But yeah, I will be with the mouse. I'm not going to be touching this range. I'll be waiting for a breakout. I will not be touching this range today. Not with FOMC in the way that Asia's already given us multiple ticks today. Afternoon. Oh, Aiden, what's going on, man? Welcome back, man. Welcome back. How's this 4 hour looking on gold actually? How's the 4 hour looking? Yeah, I mean if this 4 hour can flip bearish, you got very nice sells back down into here as well. If you come back down to here, you're not going to reject this level. You're probably like going to grab these lows for like 60. Previous 4 hour, wicked out previous 4 hour highs, closed aggressively bearish. You're getting a pretty nice top wick on this 4 hour. So to trade against that, trying to go long, yeah, it's kind of stupid. So I'll only be looking for sells. I'm only going short today on gold for the London push down to grab some lows before FOMC, potentially later going all the way to the moon. But yeah, with the way that 4 hour, grab previous 4 hour highs, closed aggressively bearish below all of these lows. Unless the 4 hour recloses back bullish, then you can go long. But cross that bridge when you get to it. For now, just sells in London. That's it. Sells only.
Aaron, what do you think of the daily forming a morning star?
Yeah, it could be quite nice, man. Could be nice.
And the 4 hourly's got like a head and shoulders going on.
Yeah, it might do. I'd be surprised to see it kind of come back down to here and not grab these lows. Kind of got a double bottom as well, but yeah, it is possible. Double bottom down there. Trade FOMC? Yeah, maybe. If there's obvious liquidity levels to come and grab, then yeah, definitely. Right now, there's nothing that clear, so right now I won't be. But if we start to leave perfect double tops or perfect double bottoms, and I got clear levels to drive into, then yeah, I will. But as it stands right now, nah, I won't be. Unless you push down and grab some lows, then amazing, I can look for FOMC buys, but no, right now I don't have like very perfect double tops and double bottoms to come and grab just yet. So I need to wait for more liquidity to be formed, and then yeah, very possible. Kind of see here in this 4 hour, you kind of got two equal lows here. So if you do grab some lows before FOMC, then you know you could take a stab at some buys for sure. Especially if this daily can grab lows and then flip bullish, then it may be worth it. But I'd have to see a lot more price action leading up to FOMC. Yeah, they did. I saw that. Yeah. Yeah, with it being FOMC day today, we'll see how long we want to watch this for. If it doesn't break out this range, I would likely set some alerts today. Let me just have a look at GJ with that pound news. Has GJ been up to have a look at this in a long time? Last time we looked at GJ was back in March. Look at that. Not that I trade it anymore, but interesting to look at. Yeah, booming. Booming. Daily on oil. Mess. S&P still booming. Insane buys off that level. Yeah, S&P booming. Yeah, so is Nasdaq. Nasdaq booming as well. Russell still got some more room. How's silver shaping up? Silver pulling back yet? No, not really. Long way to pull back. Long way. Ethereum still booming. On the S&P, well, let's have a look, man. 50. Is that on the futures or is that on this one? Or is it the same? 504612. This one? Yeah, probably like around here. Yeah, I'm still in Ethereum, man. Yep, I am. I'm holding it up to 4,000. That'll probably be it. Yeah, it's the first time I've taken a crypto trade in a while. I think it was after we were speaking about it in Bali on the weekend, actually. And I saw Bitcoin was looking very nice and Ethereum was lagging quite far behind. You had that fake out of 3,000 on the weekly. So I just took buys on Monday. Ended up ripping very nice. I'll see if we can get it back up. Yeah, back up into that 4,000 would be pretty nice. I mean, I'm already up like 18% or something stupid. So, like, yeah, what, 22? Like 18, 20% in like one day is just absolutely insane. I'll probably sell some of it soon, to be honest. Yeah, huge returns. Yeah, huge returns. What's up, 8? What's going on, man? Gold to 2,650. I wish 2,650. That'd be amazing. How long until this monthly is going to close? What is this? You got one more week? Yeah, you got this week and then next week. It'd be very, very interesting to see if this is going to be like a big liquidity grab at previous monthly highs. You're going to wick back down, or you're just going to keep pushing up. It's looking insanely strong at the minute. But, you know, last month had that huge rejection. People probably tried to jump in shorts. You've come in to fill it in, re-grabbed it. You know, it's pretty crazy. I mean, anytime you have a big, huge rejection on the monthly, you 90% of the time come and fill it in. But yeah, that would be amazing to see another leg up today. Yeah, it would be beautiful. Be beautiful. Goldie trying to break back to the downside here, which is good. Nasdaq sold for a 1 to 2. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, crypto, you can. We just got to be in it for quite a while. Like, I never expected that to rip so quick, to be fair. XRP was one that I'll be like watching for longer term, but I won't be watching that until you get way lower, like here and lower. And you can sell crypto as well. You can actually trade crypto on the weekends on Blueberry markets as well, which is quite cool. Not many CFD brokers you can do that. Yeah, it's just on the website there, man. Yep, on the website, man. Interesting more, yeah. Yeah, it's quite cool that you can trade it on the weekend on Blueberry. Look at that on Goldie, yeah, Goldie, what am I talking about? Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin, like I said yesterday, you'll get Bitcoin ripping all-time highs again, and everyone will freak out again, start celebrating, and then Bitcoin to zero after that. After that, Bitcoin will be going to zero. Full margin shorts on Bitcoin, not financial advice. Yes, man, all good, man, all good. Absolutely. 2 contracts short at 24.20. Let's have a look. Should I can't tell you whether to hold or not. That's entirely up to you. But 15 faked out quite nicely. Grab previous 15 highs, close back bearish. You got a little support level here that'd be a level to be wary of. If you close back below there, then you're all good to short it down into here. But this is a strong level. There's a lot of it's. Look left on gold. It's very, very messy. Anywhere in like here. I can't even draw on because it's so messy. Let me see. Let me do it on the 30. Where is it on the 30? Yeah, like that. Anywhere in there is very, very messy. All I'm going to wait for is this 30 close. If this 30 grabs these highs and actually breaks out of this range, you know, I'll be looking for some sells here on gold. Where the hell is everyone today? Already got 45 people watching. We had 220 yesterday. Where the hell is everyone? Everyone took their money yesterday and dipped. Yeah, if it flips, sure, yeah, I agree, Sean, it'd be amazing, yeah. Where is that 4-hour flip? Down here. 4-hour flip is probably this one here. If that 4-hour can flip, then yeah, you will have a very nice drive. Very nice drive. What's up, man? What's going on, Harry? Whoa. I took a 5-lot trade last night and then went to sleep. And surprisingly slept pretty well. It was a good test. Slept like a baby. Because I had confidence in my levels. I was seeing this last night. I didn't get this rip up last night, even though it was very nice. But once I saw you started rejecting here, without grabbing the highs, yeah, I took like a 5-lot buy up into these highs. It was very nice. Man's behavior is the average. Yeah, like around 150, I'd say, probably, man. 150-ish, man. Everyone's asleep today. It's because we made bank yesterday. We shared some very good trades yesterday, so everyone's took their money and dipped. Everyone's using me. Looking for, yeah, sells today, man. Yeah, sells if we can break back below here, man. Yep, sells back down into these lows down here. Back down into here. Actually, I'll draw it on as double bottom. Still watching in every day, yeah, awesome. Good job. Good job. It'll be it's as soon as we start drawing up a risk to reward tool, then everyone jumps in. If I put on a risk to reward tool, everyone on YouTube, how many people we got? 41 people. As soon as we draw on this risk to reward tool, watch the view count go up. Yeah, I agree, Craig. Yeah, I think that'd be amazing, man. I think that would give an insane trade as well. Like this kind of, this downward trend, hasn't really, grabbed that much. You're gonna have grabbed some highs here, but like with a trend like this, you expect to see something like that, and then, like that, and then the big push back down. So there is still the possibility for gold to come all the way back up into here as well. That's what I was trying to hold runners into last night. But because it wasn't driving before I went to bed, I put in a hard TP. But yeah, there is the chance to see gold, come back up into there. Big trail line as well, man. Yeah, sure. So yeah, full margin. This is a signal. Let's see, we've got this 30 close in 7 minutes here, so what we're really waiting for. Waiting for this 30 close. How's that hourly looking? Previous hourly was bullish. But I won't be buying gold against that previous 4-hour. So it doesn't really matter if this 4-hour keeps pushing up, I won't be buying it. Do I trade S&D zones? I don't know. I don't, man. No. It's just support resistance. There's a very nice, like you said, there's a very nice level to come up into. Once you get that back down below here, if you can get that, you know, it's like a 300 tick range. It's absolutely huge. You kind of have had this, you know, this big rip up. This kind of just looks like a little boom. Trend line coming down as well. Yeah, FOMC will be interesting. I won't be watching it. It's like 4 a.m. my time. But if I can get some trades before it, then great. Depends if there's key liquidity levels. But right now, I don't have any. The only time I ever trade FOMC is when I have very obvious liquidity levels. Last time I traded FOMC was here. I took these buys on FOMC back in March because you had, I believe, so many daily highs to come and grab. And you also had a... Oh, no, sorry. That's a lie. This one here. Here, right here. Took these, yeah, back in the end of March here because you had so many daily highs to come and grab. You hadn't grabbed any highs for like a week straight. So I was happy to take buys on FOMC on that day because there was just so much liquidity to come and grab. Like, you know, I had like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal daily highs. So on that day, you know, buying FOMC 300 pips was very easy. Today you don't have as many. I mean, you do have 3 equal daily highs, which would be nice to come and grab, even if you're going to see that push back down. But it wasn't as obvious as here. Like, that was a very obvious buy up. I posted them screenshots somewhere as well. I can't remember where. Five minutes to this 30. He's going to close here on Goldie. Let's see if we can break out of this range. FMC to make some money. How times have changed, Mario. It's crazy. How times have changed. Yeah, it's at like 4 a.m. for me. Yeah, it's crazy. When starting out, where did you find the most valuable, the best thing for gaining knowledge on the markets? I mean, just chart time. Just chart time and seeing the same things happen time and time again. Chart time and just, yeah, being neutral in the markets. Chart time and, yes, do simulation sessions. That'll really speed up your journey. You want to get in as much chart time as you can. Keep up the good work. Thank you, man. Come on to you too. I hope it pushes down. Yeah, I hope so too. I hope we get this 30-minute fake out of this level to take it. Short's looking good. Yeah, hopefully. I mean, you kind of want to see at least like an hourly fake out. Look at that previous hourly. Was strong. Or you just want to see the break of these lows. Because once you break this level, that'll be when the 4-hour flips bearish. From here. And then once that does flip bearish, then, you know, amazing. 30's looking strong. Yeah, 30's looking good. 2 minutes. Let's see if we can break out. But you need more of a breakout than this. Or you may as well wait for the hourly. Let's see, 2 minutes. Hey lads, Angel, what's going on, man? What's up, man? What up? Come on, gents. Hey, Peter, what's going on, man? Nah, not yet, man. Not yet. Just ranging for now, man. Well, I had some trades in Asia, but not yet. Not in this London range. Just waiting for a breakout, really. Not really touching it just yet. What the fuck are you on about, Tom? I can't. If you're being serious, Tom, you should probably be aware that it's very illegal, and you won't be taking them from mine because I don't give signals. I was going to delete your comment, but I just want to leave it there for a second, just to so people can see how stupid you are, and then I'll delete it. Well, I won't delete it, but I'll get rid of it. What's he on? What he say? You just go off. Oh, let me post it in here. It's just ridiculous. Whatever he's like. Okay, cool. I think everyone's seen it now, so we'll just hide you from the channel so you can't join any of the streams. See you, man. Yeah, send it over. I don't believe it now, there's no way. What guy? Was he expecting a good answer? Yeah, I don't know what the fuck he was expecting. Was he expecting me to go, wow, that's amazing, man, that's so nice of you. Thank you so much for taking my free trades and sending it into a paid group, you fucking moron. Is that right? These two are transparent. This 30 hasn't broken out, but it has engulfed back bearish and created an instant top wick. I mean, Craig, if this 30 can flip bearish, you know, you may have some sells. The only concern is you do have that support right there. Yo, Tom, let's smoke together. So, I failed. I struggle to believe it's true, but I mean, that did actually happen when I used to share my trades for free on Telegram. Before I even had the Discord group, I used to share everything for free. And it literally did get to a point where people were taking my free trades and sending it into that paid group, and that's no joke. That's the main reason I started the Discord group. We were sharing that many bangers back in the Telegram days that people were taking it and putting it into their paid group. And I've even still had people do that in Discord as well. Had to ban people from Discord a few times as well because they tried to do the exact same thing. And they're that stupid enough that they put their own Telegram group. Or the last one, he put his Telegram group in his Discord bio, so I could literally see all of my analysis and trades that he was sending in. And then he got sent a
You haven't
legal
caught
letter.
me
And
yet, bro. So you just gotta up your game.
then, hey man.
You haven't caught me yet.
He was yesterday talking about starting a family. Yeah, it was being weird yesterday. It's being weird today. So, nah, none. But yeah, just trade for yourself. Yeah, exactly, man. Exactly. I don't have a sell stop in here just yet, but I will tell you guys what I do. If this 30 can flip bearish, though, could have a nice drive. You'd want to see it flip bearish and actually break the support. Excuse me. Because you didn't break out of like this area, but you did kind of close back below here. So as long as you close back below here, you got an instant top wick in the first 5 minutes. If this 30 can flip bearish, you'll just risk off wherever that 30 high is, and you're trying to drive it back down to here. But if it doesn't break that support, well then that's fine. Then you'll just manage your trade. It doesn't really matter. But if it can flip bearish, get some decent volume and break that level, then there's a high chance you'll have a very quick drive down as well. So although it hasn't broken this little range, this was a nice strong bullish close to grab the highs and reclose back aggressively bearish. If that's true volume and we can get that to continue, amazing. Yeah, 30 flip. Yeah, I think it'll be nice. Yeah, I will put in an order once we get some signs of rejection. The 5 minute did just engulf back bullish, so let's see the 5 minute breakdown a little bit more. Yeah, grab previous highs. Yeah, grab some highs and we'll get a better stop loss. Yeah, agreed. But yeah, that 5 minute just engulfed back bullish. So I need to see this 5 minute engulf back bearish in order for me to want to take the sales just yet. I'll move this out of the way just so it doesn't put it in. I got no orders in just yet. Ah, you fucking, what the fuck? Ah, I just trapped my fucking pinky on the chair. Ow. You'd be sick. Yeah, I just haven't looked at GG. I had a rip. I had a crazy rip. I don't trade it, but it's nice to see. Yeah, look at that. It's ridiculous. Wick to have previous lows. If you took the break of like the previous 15-minute high, that's still only 80 ticks. Which is, don't get me wrong, 80 ticks is great, but if that was gold, that'd be like fucking 300. Still, don't worry, it's absolutely amazing. But yeah, it's only 84 ticks. We've had that in gold already today without news. Probably put in two. Full risk today, I think, man. Because you can manage this trade quite well if it doesn't work out, so it would be worth going full risk, I think, man. Yeah, full margin. If this 30 doesn't flip bearish, then this hourly could flip bullish. Something to be wary of. That's why I would take it once it breaks the low. If it doesn't break the low, then you don't take the trade. But just because the 30's closed bearish doesn't mean the hourly has flipped bearish just yet. So that's why I wouldn't take a retest entry right now. I'd wait for it to actually reject this level, re-break its low, and have to push down. If it can't re-break the low and it just keeps pushing up, then no trade. You just wait. So 10 contracts is, 10 contracts, full margin. Spike on NQ? No, what time was that? Let's have a look. There's a spike on NQ? What time frame? Where were you? Where's yesterday? This? No, wait. That's all good, Mary. Yeah, because on the funded account, man, I just have a 50 because I got given it to try the platform. So on a 50, you know, I can trade like 2. Sometimes I trade 2 if I got a good stop loss, but most of the time I just trade 1. And I've already taken like $500 out of it. So if my balance goes back to break even, then that will be the funded account gone. So I have to trade it. Yeah, with a very small size. But with the challenge, or the combine, I should say, I was using. I think I was still using 1 to 2. I don't know if I can find what I was using, but I think even for the passing the challenge, I was using 1 to 2. Well, now it's better to just use 10 micros. I'll update when we take it. Yeah, give me the signal, man. I'm there. Spike on Monday. Is that this one? Sorry, wrong chat. Wait, so we take trades on micro? You can take trades on whichever one you want to. I'll be taking 2 contracts, so I'll be taking minis. Can you set alerts on Top Step X? You can't, unfortunately, man. You can't. It'd be good if you could, but then it wouldn't pop up on your phone anyway because they don't have an app. So I do all my alerts on TradingView, and I always have alerts on my charts. Like you guys see, I've always got fucking alerts popping up. I think I deleted them all just before we jumped on, but yeah, I've always got alerts on the charts. 70% long, yeah. Let me have a look at tilt. Let's see, 68% long. Well, the thing is, if you close back above, you know, you could push higher. You'll probably push up into here. But I personally don't like longs with the way that previous 4-hour wicked out highs and closed aggressively bearish. But you may push back up a little bit. I agree. You're grabbing previous 15 highs there. But yeah, I personally will only be taking shorts today. Able to pass my combine, but after I was able to withdraw from the account. I'm not sure what it means, man. If you mean you got funded, then you didn't make enough to get paid out. I'm not too sure what you mean, to be honest, man. I don't really know what that means. Do you mean like you didn't make money to get the payout or something? I mean, just because you got funded doesn't mean you're consistent yet. You need to prove to yourself. You need data to prove you're consistent over a long period of time. Passing a challenge doesn't mean you're just instantly consistent. I know loads of people who get lucky passing a challenge and then just end up blowing it. Myself included in the beginning. This is a pretty nice 15 rejection here. You're grabbing these previous 15-minute highs and rejecting. Now I'm just trading on the Top Step X platform, man. That was not trading personal, which I still do, but the ones on stream we just use Top Step X. But after I withdraw, I blew the account. Well, yeah. The thing is, when you withdraw on Top Step, once you're funded, your drawdown rules are a lot tighter. So if your account goes back to break even, that technically means you lose the account, which is quite tight. And if that does happen, I don't think that means you're a bad trader. Like it's not that uncommon, even when you're trading personal capital, to, you know, make some money and then take it out and then go back to break even. It's quite a strict rule. But yeah, if your account goes back to break even after taking a payout, then that's the funded account. You got to do it again. I may have a sell stop on this 30 soon. This is the break of the 30 low. The 15's just wicked out previous 15 highs, respecting that 30 level. So if we do break down from here and top wick on the next 15, we may have a nice push here. You don't, yeah, numbers on screen. Yeah, that's why it's kind of good just to take all of it and close it and do it again. Depending on what account size you've got. Or build it up first. Thank you for the free value to join your pay group once funds are improved. Yeah, more than welcome, man. Thank you. Appreciate tuning in, man. Yeah, so if you want to get the payout from Top Step, I would just say build it up slowly. I mean, if you're on a like a 50k account and you make like $1,000 and you want to take out 500 just to like reward yourself and then eventually go do like 100, then 150, then yeah, that's good. But if you got funded on like 150, you may as well just keep building it up slowly. Build that buffer. Was able to withdraw 1k from paying. Yeah, that's amazing, man. Withdrawing 1k is amazing. Good work. Peter, do you mean personal or on this funded? On the funded, 1 to 2, usually just 1. On personal, I can trade up to 5 to 7 to sometimes 10. Like I took 2 trades yesterday. You know, I distribute them as well. It's not just like 10 in straight in. Like yesterday, I think I had like 5.5 on gold buys yesterday. And yeah, and then I used 2.5s on the funded FTMO as well. 100k. Do you copy trader futures? Nah, I don't. That's why it's kind of difficult. My futures, my FTMO kind of got left behind a little bit. So I kind of use the FTMO for trading like the 30-minute and higher. And then the futures is just for scalping. Same as my personal. That's just for like 15 and higher. Futures is just for 5-minute scalping. But the FTMO, you know, I've had like 3 payouts from it. It's already up like 1.6 thousand US already this month. So I'm not going to touch it for the rest of the month. I'm just going to get the payout and then keep going, go again next month. We don't use bigger Top Step account. It's not really my personal focus, like futures funding. I use this one because they gave it to me and it's good to trade on stream. But it's not my focus. My focus is continuing to grow my personal. I used to have 100k, and then I got the payout and then balanced back to break even and then lost it. And then I got given this 50k to try out Top Step X, and then got funded and then just kept trading it really. Yeah, it's tricky. Definitely, it depends on what the account size is. Let's see if we're gonna. I think you might re-grab these 15 highs here. Yeah, it depends on what account size it is. Like if it's only a 50, and like I say, you're up like 1,000. Like I honestly wouldn't be afraid to take it out and then just move on to 100k. Yeah, you only want to be using them funding firms to build your personal as quick as you can. If you're on like 150, then you probably want to build that up a little bit more. Yeah, that's a good idea, Ross. I like that, man. Good idea. Come on, Goldie, what are you up to? As this Owlie's about to close in 15 as well. I'd like to be in the trade before that, but look at this Owlie. It's not closed yet. Anything on gold can happen in 12 minutes, so... Yeah, if this 30 flips bearish, then this Owlie will fake out and have a drive. I'll go back to the 15. Since we've jumped on, we've closed above, straight back below. Rejected, re-grab the highs. I mean, even if this 15 could flip bearish, you may have a drive. Because you got 1, 2, 3 equal lows as well. And a little 15 evening star. Let me just make this a little bit bigger. Zooming in here on Goldie. Because if you respect this 15 high and drive down, then this will leave a very nice evening star. And you'll be risking like 19 ticks to hopefully drive this down for much, much more today. I like to hold this much lower. Break-even point would be this support at like 22, but you know, if we can break that, amazing. See if we're going to reject here. As soon as we throw signs of rejection, I'll put it in. But the closer you get to this 15 high, you'll leave a double top and grab it. So I don't want to see it pushing too much higher than here. 5 minutes just grabbing previous 5 minute lows, about to close bullish as well. So if that's the case, then you know, no sells. Not now. If it doesn't now, I wouldn't, because it's like creating a double top here. If it pushed down from here, I would wait, because you'd likely have to re-grab the highs before that push down. So yeah, I personally would wait. The MetaTrader, yeah, we got the MetaTrader fired up here. Did my runners got taken from us morning? Yeah, I think you're gonna spike a little bit higher. When I hear a sound from the NT5. Alright, you got it. How do I delete that? I don't know what's better, the future sound of order filled or that the MT4 noise, MT5 noise. Yeah, re-breaking the highs there. This hourly's gonna flip bullish, but like I say, I'm not taking buys though. I'm not trading against that 4 hour. Order filled, yeah, order filled's better, I think, here. PTSD from MT4 sound. I have it muted on Top Step X because I got sick of it. Oh, the woman on Top Step X for sure. That was my I'll move this over here. These are the buys I took on Goldie yesterday. These buys here. And these were sells I took today. Exit was like literally right at the perfect point. Look at that. Oh wait, you can't see it, can you? I don't know. Order filled haunts my dreams. Yeah, it does. How close is your trading style to MSNR? I don't know what that is, man. I'm not too sure what that is. MSNR. Five contracts making bank. Yeah, they were the buys I took last night. I was actually trying to run it up much higher, up into here, but yeah, I took buys up into this liquidity after these rejections here. Most people try and sell here, stops above that high, so I was buying up into where most people were trying to support. Most people were trying to sell. I was trying to run it up into here, but because it was dicking around before I went to sleep, I just put in a hard TP up here. And then the hard TP went off, grabbed the highs, and then ripped back lower. So yeah, it was a pretty good exit point as well, to be honest. Malaysian support and resistance? What the hell is that? I have absolutely no idea what that is. What, is that different to like UK support and resistance? I don't know what that is. I guess not. I guess not. No, I have no idea what that is. Let's see. 30s re-breaking the highs. You kind of a double top there. Nah. Very messy day today. Yeah, I guess not. No, let me have a look. Let me Google that. Forex Malaysia support and resistance. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Yeah, if there is a 15 double top on the futures, well, there is. I like it to grab these highs. When I took these sells today, I only took in. I only took one lot sell. I wanted to do like 5 or 2.5, but the reason I didn't go in full was because I kind of wanted to see this re-grab the highs, but you never re-grab the highs and push lower, so they may still get grabbed. Sorry, still feel that. It's all good, man. All good. No need to apologize, man. Yeah, see on train. Yeah, no, I haven't heard of it. But whilst we are waiting here for Goldie, guys, feel free to ask over any questions about any trades or any analysis, or if you're looking at something different, doesn't have to just be gold. We can have a look at something else. Also wait for Goldie to break out. Australian SMC is the holy grail. The pound for all time's sake, yeah, of course, man. Jamaican ICT. Gold is all we need. Yeah, gold is all I need. Let's have a look at. Yeah, have a look at pound. Well, obviously, it's just had that big rip off the news. Very, very big rip off the news on pound. You'll probably just see it continue ripping higher, to be honest. Probably seeing it come back up to these levels. Kind of already had the move of the day, so I wouldn't really like to say too much. You had an aggressive liquidity grab yesterday. At 2 o'clock yesterday, an aggressive liquidity grab that would have stopped out a lot of people. Like, that was huge. Wicked out all them people, held back above the support, and then he just ripped back higher. Now, I don't want to just give hindsight analysis, but yeah, there's not really too much to say when it's kind of ripped so much. The buys were very, very nice. Very nice, especially after that liquidity grab yesterday. But yeah, you'll probably just continue pushing up, I reckon. You're going to have a trend line coming down as well. People try and short the trend line. Yeah, you're very like it. Just keep ripping. 15 flip. Nah, only because we've got 3 minutes until the hourly's going to close. I think we'll just wait for it to actually close. I think it'll be our safest bet. I can find gold. I just use the Awanda one here. XAUUSD, I use the Awanda one. So, no, it's still eating. Yeah, that's very true. I was eating very slow. Do you enter at the candle open on your trades? Actually, no, this 15 is actually grabbing them 15 highs, wicked out all them, so if it does close below, that could be a big spike, yeah. Let's watch this close. Now, I enter on the breaks of lows. So if I want sells today on gold, you know, I'm looking for the sells for this on the 30 break. I put in a sell stop below the low to see if it can flip down. And the reason I put in a sell stop is because if it does something like this and just keeps pushing up and grabs the highs, then I just cancel the sell stop and I don't get tagged in. So I use a lot of sell stops and buy stops. Only time I'll enter on candle open is if it, like, you know, if I'm looking for longs and it opens and instantly pushes down with no top wick, then I can buy it into the top wick. Why not MGC? Futures is for execution, but the analysis is still done on the spot chart because it grabs highs and lows more than the futures chart. Futures chart can leave like a perfect double top or a perfect double bottom, and if you're waiting for it to be grabbed on futures, it won't need to be because it will get grabbed on the spot chart and you'll miss the trade. That's why I have to watch both. Thoughts on trading liquidity with volume? You mean like trading into a liquidity grab? Without a liquidity grab? If you mean like trading into a liquidity grab, yeah, I love trading into liquidity grabs. A lot of my trades are now trading into liquidity grabs. Like my buys yesterday were trading into this liquidity grab before having the grab and pushing back lower. You know, I was asleep for that, but you ended up ripping the highs and pushing back down. That was probably the nicer trade. But I took the buys into the liquidity grab. Gotta go. Yeah, no worries, Alan. See you next time, man. You got an instant bottom wick here on this 15. You may see this 15 push higher. Yeah, trading into liquidity grab. Yeah. Trading into liquidity grabs are very good, man. Very, very good. I spoke about it today in the Asian market call. Once you create the bottom wick, to buy up into this liquidity grab as well. So buys up into that liquidity grab. And then I also took sells into this liquidity grab here. Scroll back a bit, Justin. I shared my screen of me executing the trades. Where is it? If you scroll back, or maybe, I don't know, like 20 minutes ago, maybe? You'll be able to see it, man. Yeah, like nine-ish minutes ago, you can see it, man. Think about Ethereum. I think it's going to still push up into 4,000. I think you'll see it push up into 4,000. Be interesting to see how this week closes. It's probably like, you know, one of the strongest weeks you've had since like back down here. Could you even, like, is this one, you know, one big push up correction and now you're going to break up and continue pushing up into here? Maybe. This is the only one, Dre. This is the only one I've got. I used to have XRP. I sold all my XRP. Ethereum's the only one that I have now, which I bought yesterday. No, on Monday, sorry. What day did I say? Wednesday, yeah. I had XRP on that rip here. When I got out, once you grab this double top, you got it relisted on Coinbase and shit like that. That's where I got out and it dipped back down. And I'll probably buy more, like once you come much lower. No BTC, nah, no Bitcoin, man. I don't like Bitcoin. I think it's, I don't think buying a crypto coin that's worth like 70,000 is a good decision, personally. I mean, you know, unless you got it from like all the way down here, which I don't. Nah, I don't buy any Bitcoin anymore, man. Too overpriced for me. Like, even if you see it go from like here 70 to like, you know, 80, it's like it's a 14% return. Don't get me wrong, that's great, but there's better crypto opportunities for me. Like XRP, you know, Well, I was supposed to have alerts. I didn't see that my alerts were on, but I've got alerts on XRP. Well, I should have alerts, once you come all the way back down here. Do you watch that bit too? Nah, I don't watch DXY, man. Nah, it doesn't really give you anything that you can't already see on gold, personally, man. I used to look at the DXY, then I stopped looking at it. It's just kind of pointless for me. It's basically just Euro USD as well. But it doesn't, it doesn't tell you anything that's not already being shown here on gold. Like, it's not like ahead of time, so nah, I personally don't see any point there, man. Like I say, I used to. I just stopped watching it. It just didn't bring me any value. Like, I don't need to check the DXY to see it had a strong push up around this time. You can already see it here on the charts. Ever gonna pump? Yeah, I don't. Thing is, when I do take my like any buys on crypto, I never really hold into it like long term. I just don't believe in it overall. But something like XRP, even if it was to come eventually back to like $1, once you get it from like down here, like 200% return, that would be incredible. You get a lot of people who try and buy it into all-time highs and then spend like 5 years going round and round in circles. So for me, like if ever I make, man, even 20% is amazing. But yeah, if I was able to dollar cost average XRP anywhere from like 30 to 20, yeah, I would like to hold it back up to like $1. That'd be pretty nice. Yeah, not as a long-term investment. Yeah, nah, I don't believe in crypto long-term. Nah. Take your money and pull out profits and buy back in better prices. I mean, I don't day trade it. I've held crypto for a good few weeks, if not months before, but not like years. Like I wouldn't buy Bitcoin hoping it's gonna go to like 200. Same as XRP. I'd buy it down here and I'd break it out at like $1. But I don't believe that it's gonna rip up all-time highs. Like I've never looked at a single crypto project in my life. Come on, Goldie, give us some volume. Look at this 30. Broke above, straight back below, back above. This 30 can flip bullish. You may have a drive, but I'm not going to take it personally. Say 5. Start by botching. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, when I buy into XRP, it's only for, it's only for short times. Like I got these buys last year, did like 70%. That's me in and out. I was buying like these bits, back in the day. Yeah, I would only buy it if it came back down here, and it'd be worth a stab at it again, especially when you're gonna have like at some point fake out this trend line a little bit as well. Some pretty nice levels. Background in finance. How so knowledgeable in the markets? Nah, no background in finance, man. I've just been involved in the markets for like over 6 years. Oh no, Dan. Oh no. Yeah, so yeah. Solana. Yeah, been on a nice push. Lost most of my portfolio. Yeah, that was crazy, man. I'm lucky I didn't. Gold push them back down 5 minutes, so we're all good. These are all. Well, I mean, these are all the ones that I watch. I don't know where all my analysis has gone on these. XLM. Little head and shoulders there on Chainlink. Look at what amazing Amazing rip there. Straight back down. What are you up to, Goldie? Messy day on gold. Very messy day. Got a new video coming out today as well, guys. Sharing some of the new updates on the Top Step X platform. Lots of good features that I've run over the trade copier as well. I'll be posting that later tonight. Be back soon. Cheers. Yeah, all good, Carl. All good, man. Mark's too choppy for me. Yeah, good chat, man. Very low volume. Yeah, very low volume. Yeah, just gotta be patient here. You know, when the markets are quiet like this, just be patient. Do other things. Don't sit here and watch it, and certainly don't watch the 5 minute. If the 30 minutes ranging, there's no point trying to even watch the lower time frame. Do you do one-to-ones? Yeah, I do some one-to-ones, man. Yep. We do. Yep, good shout, George. See you later, man. Nah, not really. I mean, I've had a look at it before, but yeah, it doesn't. I honestly don't find it useful for gold. I have looked at it before, though, but yeah. I mean, you can just fake orders and all that sort of thing, so it just kind of just becomes noisy. Like, just learning pure price action, I honestly think nothing beats it. Over TradingView or Top Step X. I don't place any on TradingView, man. I just use TradingView just for analysis. You know, the executions done here, man. I like to keep it separate, 2 separate screens. I have a screen here and then a screen here as well. I don't really like to see my positions on the same place I do my analysis. I just find it kind of brings in some emotions. I prefer to have it separate. Yeah, awesome, Ben. Sounds good, man. Drop me a message when you get in, man. I'll welcome you into the community, man. Yeah, I'll stick around for a little bit longer, Nate. Maybe watch the 30 close and kind of see how we go. I'm only really looking for sells, so yeah, I mean, set an alert like just here, like once it goes off, wouldn't be a bad shout. I'm just checking over emails, stuff like that anyway, so I'm just hanging around for a little bit. I don't think you'll miss much, to be honest, man. Take it easy. See you next time, man. Have you used Superdom? Nah, I don't really, man. I don't. Not really. Hey, Christian, what's going on, man? We're going down. Yeah, I'm looking for the sells today, man. Yeah. I'm just waiting for it to grab these highs. You're very likely going to grab these highs first before then seeing that push back down. Normally, I would take longs up into that. But the way with how choppy you've been, and with the way the 4 hours aggressively bearish, like you could take this 30 flip that I spoke about, but the volume just isn't really worth it. Neither's the risk reward, to be honest. Like that will probably play out, but I'm not in it. I'm gonna wait for it to grab the highs and then start breaking back below, personally. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9. What's the date today? 22nd. I'll post that new video at 8:30. 8:30 Brisbane time. Is it weird I use Ninja Trader over TradingView for analysis? Kind of started. Nah, not at all, nah. If you like Ninja, just stick with that, man. Make your life easier for sure. If you can do it off just that, then yeah, that's great, man. What's that? What's that 30 flip giving you? Only 13. Up into there, you got 25. Nah, I'm not in it, man. Nah, just drawing it up. the risk reward wasn't worth it for me, and the range, and the 4-hour close. I'm just drawing it up as a little forward test, but yeah, what I was speaking about, it was the 30 flip of the highs, but no, I'm not in it. Stop loss was like 18, which is pretty good, but then also your target's like here, so it's just over a 1-to-1. It's not bad, but it's not amazing. I'm not in though. Oh, you execute on top step? Oh, so you do your... yeah, even if you execute on top step, well, you can do ninja on top step as well. Let's go on trade safe, guys. Yeah, enjoy Marriott. All good, man. To be honest, guys, I think I'm gonna set an alert here. Well, if anyone's just joined, like my overall plan today is to see if we get this 4-hour to flip bearish and drive down into here in an hour and 40 minutes. If this 4-hour closes above, then we'll reassess. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to set my alert somewhere down below here. Once we start breaking these alerts, I want to these lows, I want to be notified and jump back on then. So we'll leave it there for now. There's no point watching it go sideways any longer. Because I'll post in trade setups if we do get anything. I mean, if I'm still sticking around, we can as well. But for now, yeah, we'll leave it. We'll wait for the alerts to go off. And yeah, I'll update you guys in Discord. Enjoy Zoom, guys. I'll talk to you guys soon. See you guys. All right, YouTube fam, I'm gonna leave gold there. It's doing nothing today. You know, we had a great trade on stream yesterday. I'm not really looking to give it back today with this range and FOMC later, so I'm gonna set my alerts, chill, wait for the alerts to go off, and then fire up the charts. It's not very productive to sit here and watch gold go sideways. So I will see you guys same time again tomorrow. Remember, I have a video coming out in about 3 hours, so be sure to watch that. Super helpful, super useful. And I'll see you guys same time again tomorrow, 7 till 9 a.m. London time. Trade safe. FOMC later. Don't blow your account, because I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.